What's up everybody, it is Colin here, and in this video I have an exciting announcement for you guys because you guys had questions and I have answers. So many of you guys requested that we start posting, and with we I mean all the Dijs University media buyers, the recorders, all the content we post is that we actually post live results. And to be fair, I'm not a huge fan of posting results because all that matters is the education behind it, but I do get it a little bit because it's always nice to see some numbers. So this is what I'm going to do. I want you guys to smash that like button. I want to see over 200 likes, and we're going to make it happen. A ClickBank journey, how to make money with ClickBank. I'm going to expose everything, how we make money, and we're going to start with a fresh ClickBank account, $0 in earnings. Well, maybe a little bit from some blog traffic I did way back, but we're going to dominate it. It's going to be myself and Joshua Daniel George as the two media buyers to start off this project. As soon as we get traction, we show you guys how everything works. Then what we'll do is I will add more media buyers from my team to go over 1, 2, maybe 5K a day in revenue with ClickBank. This will be a long-term project, meaning I will run this for the entire first quarter of 2020. You will see consistent videos on this channel. I'm going to put in a lot of effort and a lot of spend up front. So only for January, I've already set a 10K budget, which we're going to spend in 14 days to get the most traffic and get those conversions going. Every conversion I make, no matter it's $1 or $1,000, I will be posting it on YouTube. I will share the results, I will show you the money, and I will tell you how to do things, the exact methods, lenders, copy, everything you need to know. And this is what I'm going to do. ClickBank journey, how to make money online with ClickBank. What we're going to focus on is Facebook ads. We'll try some solo ads. We'll do some Pinterest ads. We'll do some native ads. And I personally will heavily focus on the email marketing because that's my favorite game. I just make a hella sequence of 90 emails, 90 days of emails, maybe 180 emails in 90 days. And I will just blast that list with offers every single day to get conversions. Obviously, you have to choose a niche, and step by step, me, myself, and Joshua Daniel George on his own Dijs University YouTube channel will be posting. So we continue the journey together, the two of us. Joshua Daniel George is his YouTube channel. It just started. He has around 100 subscribers. Dijs University will document a big journey on there as well. And then on this channel. So hit that like button, make it happen, 200 likes, and we'll get it done for you. If you have any questions, what we're thinking, what we're doing, how we're going to start, let me know right now. I will do a lot of live streams in the Facebook group. So we'll come back with daily content, highly focused on ClickBank, sometimes something else. It depends on what we're doing and how things are going, of course. And I know this journey is not going to be easy because we all like to talk a good game. We're elite level media buyers. We can manage over 7 figures in spend. However, now this is a new platform for us because we haven't dominated ClickBank as we should have compared to what we do with other affiliate networks. But ClickBank is where most beginners start and one of the easiest places to get conversions. I see it all the time. So now I want to experience it. I want to show you guys exactly how it's done, and what better way to prove that I'm the ultimate affiliate guru than to actually show you all the results and then show you how everything works, break the affiliate marketing industry with our education. So the reason I usually don't show results is because I can show you all the screenshots of how much money we make, but it won't allow you to learn anything. It will only motivate you to take action, which is also a good thing. And then we show a lot of how-to videos because that's actually how it's done. You just have to implement it yourself. And people are like, oh, this is fake, this doesn't work because you're not actually making $100 a day on ClickBank or Max Bounty or whatever. But it's the theory behind the fact that you should educate yourself in order to make money. So to all the haters out there, I love you guys. To all my dedicated followers, I love you guys even more. And this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to show you the results and then back it up with how-to facts in one video. So I will show you how much money we're making, what kind of revenue, what kind of profit, what kind of ad spend, which platform, what kind of ads, which lenders, which copy, and how everything works. And therefore, I want you to hit that like button. And then what I will do is combine it into one big series, one big playlist. And this is video 1, which you can explore on YouTube for free. So I hope you guys are excited. Please let me know in the comments down below if you're excited for this journey. Thank you so much for watching. I'll be back tomorrow with a preparation video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.